Hey guys, this is Anis. Welcome back to another video, and today in this video I am going to doing a biggest unboxing ever on my channel. As you can see, this is SONY Bravia televisions and I'm doing unboxing right now. So let's get started. So let's unbox it. And first of all, power adapter. It is 19.5 volt and 2.35 ampere power adapter, and it has also two type of power cord. As you can see, this is the 2-pin and another one is 3-pin UK standard. Another one is remote control, and TV itself, a stand. I think it is TV stand. It is made by plastic. Also has two screws and some paperwork how to install this TV, everything, and also the catalog, and also they provide Sony remote battery. So let's open this. As you can see, this TV, it has this angle with screw. So I attach this stand on this TV with two screws. So this is the 32-inch display, and it has two dual speaker on this bottom. As you can see, in this back side. And as you can see, this is the antenna input, and this is audio video input, and here is the HDMI port, and this is the audio. You can use extra speaker from here. This is the audio output, and this is menu key. One is power key and input mode and volume up and down. So in this right side, as you can see, another HDMI port with a USB port. You can also search from here your device, or you can use stick directly from here, so you don't need to another extra HDMI cable. Directly plug and play, and it's power from here, so which is good. So now power up. This is the power in plug. So I'm plugging this using this adapter. So this is the remote. So I don't have antenna, so I'm using this Android TV box TX3 mini. I already make video about this, so you can check out via clicking I button. So just I'm plugging this. So just turn on TV and also boot up this Android TV box automatically, and as you can see, it's booting up. So as you can see, this Android TV box, turn it on, and I'm going to YouTube. So let's play some 4K video. So I hope this video helping for you. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel.